G-20 सम्मेलननि आसाल वान सुगमु अंखा One Earth, One Family, One Future एबा kaisa पृथिबी kaisa नुखुं kaisa थिनां तांसानि sarigo kaisa kokthum panda wo obahaino saka G-20 सम्मेलनो manjaknai Indian National Science Academy ni President Ashutosh Sharma aro manjakha Bharat Habangni Principal Scientific Advisor Professor Ajay Shot o Kokthum panda wo bedini President Sharma khwlaikha G-20 सम्मेलननि आसाल वान सुगमु अंखा Cleaner Electricity for a Greener Future o सम्मेलनो 10th ha kotoni adongrok bo manjakha hini sawi mankha kubuni members te ha kotoni scientific rock borokni wan sugmung no sawi khnarikha borok saka sini tongflanai hamkrai te nobarwatini bagui clean energy belanya nango clean energy ni koglamo kaitham mane jotoni nangkokmani abo ungkha green hydrogen sumundroni simi manmani energy tei energy banjri mani botebo saka thinangni bagui energy banjri nani belanya nango asalo Sri Sharma khwlaikha Fatar ha kotoni phainai tei Bharat ha kotoni gurung thaini सम्मेलनो phainai rok Tripurani naithotok observer no tui kifilnai borok hastini lukurokni hukmu mukumuno khobui haste habangni yapri naharmani shebrok no borom pogui mangla khani khwlaikha.
For many of them it is the first time that they have come here, but I am sure that this is not the last time they have come here, nor is it the last time they will be talking about it. So every single person they know in life, they are going to narrate their experiences, the wonderful experiences that they carry back of Agartala and Tripura and its people and its the government that made all these events possible and its culture, its handicrafts. There is an exhibition going on down here where the local craft and handicraft and the products of Tripura are being displayed. So they are fantastic, wonderful, but many around the world may not know about them. So this is a great opportunity to showcase our culture. For example, the dress. Even my wife went and said, "You buy 5 of these dresses from somewhere." It's just that people didn't know about it. But once they see it, I have no doubt that they would be so extraordinarily impacted and interested and feel kinship with these products and this culture. So it serves a dual role, in terms of science, in terms of our future sustainability aspects and energy, and many things were debated which are of local, importance to Tripura. So having energy needs of the state, even small villages, small standalone houses. How do we actually, provide energy to all of these isolated villages, households in a distributed manner? So all of these, from global to local, which is called local. So we must think globally, we must act locally on that, and so we combine global and local is called glocal, GLOCAL. And so this conference like this, it provides this opportunity for us to be local. To be work together with the global community for the best technology, science solutions, and then implement them here, and with the state government and also the central government working together. Whole lot of those things are totally possible. They are happening and they will continue to happen, even with greater speed and greater scale. And science and technology are the pillars on which our future development totally ride.
Bio report Kokthum.